This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing 10-20 long, flexible palm leaves. Pick ones without tears. Soak them 20-30 minutes so they bend rather than snap. This helps clean edges and prevents splitting as you work. Next, fold 4 leaves into a tight cross to form a 6-8 inch circular base, overlapping at the center. Once that base holds, keep one leaf as a stiffener and start weaving the remaining leaves over and under, alternating directions to lock the center. This creates a firm foundation for the basket walls. You now lift the base leaves to form upright spokes. These are the structure for your walls. Once upright, take a fresh leaf and weave it over one spoke, under the next, keeping even tension so the wall rises straight. Inconsistent pull makes warps or gaps. When a leaf ends, overlap the new one by 1 to 2 inches and continue weaving to hide the joint. Make sure to push each row down snugly as you go, because compact rows are what give the basket strength and neatness. You finish by folding the top row inward or creating a braided rim. This both strengthens the edge and produces a clean finish. Secure the rim by tucking ends under adjacent weaves or lashing with a thin strip. Once shaped, dry the basket slowly in shade to avoid warping and press any soft edges flat while still damp. If gaps appear, weave thin strips into them and gently pull surrounding rows tighter to close the space. This fixes looseness without undoing large sections and preserves the basket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.